Hello Ji, how are you? I'm also fine, thank you. So it's a very good morning and winter morning. Delhi की winters आपको पता ही है कैसी होती हैं. So to protect myself from cold, I'm wearing 2-3 layers. I'm like wearing this. I'm wearing a sweater beneath. I'm wearing a warmer inner. So just to protect myself from cold. Similarly, if you are a sole breadwinner of the family, you need to protect your family. So there are 5 kinds of insurance that one cannot avoid to not have. So we'll be talking about those insurance policies today. So before talking about those insurance policies, the kinds of insurance that one must have, we need to understand the concept of insurance. A lot of people, expect a return from the insurance policy. They are paying some amount and they want something in return from that. So we need to understand these are indemnity policies. If I am not there for my family to take care of their financial needs, that will work as an income replacement. So it is not something that I'm building for myself. It is a legacy that I want to leave for my family and kids. So insurance again can be ascertained on different factors. So risk cover for me will be different and risk cover for you will be different. Because our expenses, our income, our lifestyle, aspirations, assets, liabilities are totally different. So one size will not fit all. However, in the video, I have tried to give you a simple, what should be the adequate cover of each types of insurance to make it simple. So first and foremost, insurance cover is life insurance. Life insurance is covering one's life against eventualities if something happens to the sole breadwinner of the family. So to take care of family's expenses, this kind of insurance is needed. So insurance plans comes in different types of shapes and sizes. But the one that is recommended is term insurance because the cost is less and we are actually paying for only the mortality cost and nothing else. So adequate coverage here should be again 10 times of the annual income plus liabilities. For example, if somebody is earning let's say 10 lakhs per annum, so 10 times will be 1 CR, and in case of any liabilities, any loans running, home loan, car loan, personal loan, then that also should be added to the sum assured. So just to give you an idea, we have calculated the cost per annum at the age 30 years. So this is for a male, 30 years, non-smoker, healthy male. So if we opt for sum assured of 50 lakhs and we are opting for coverage till 75 years of age, so the cost per annum will be 7,800 per annum. And if the coverage is opted till 85 years of age, cost per annum is 9,000. So this term specifies, if something happens to the life assured till 75 years of age, the insurance company is liable to pay. And in the second scenario, it is the threshold is 85 years of age. Also, you can check out your individual policy details as per your sum assured in the link below. So next important insurance is the health insurance. And the reason to buy health insurance is just the soaring cost of medical expenses these days. Even a simple visit to a doctor can cost you thousands of bucks. Like last week, our son Hargun, he had a sprain in his ankle, and we took him to doctor. The doctor immediately did, first of all, there is a consultancy fees. The doctor is charging 500, and then he did an X-ray, which costed us another 500 bucks. Then he recommended some medicines, some ankle support, equipment. So in total, just for 15 minutes visit, we spent approximately 2,500 for that treatment. So, and if more serious illnesses that may result in hospitalization can generate a bill that is equivalent to a weekend getaway in a luxury resort. So now you can understand what kind of cost one has to incur in case of hospitalization. So a lot of people also here, I would like to add, a lot of people also here, feel paying health insurance premium is a burden. So believe me, however, potential cost of not having health cover is much higher. So just to give you an idea, we've again taken an example of age 30 years male, married with 2 kids. So if we talk about family floater plan, it is an umbrella plan which covers the entire family. So if we talk about 10 lakhs family floater plan, the cost for 1 year is approximately 18,000. For 15 lakhs, it's 21,000. For 20 lakhs, it's 24,000. And for 50 lakhs family floater plan, it's 29,000. Now, as you see, as the sum assured is increasing, the cost is not, double. For example, for 10 lakhs we are paying 18 and for 20 we are paying 24. So it is not double of what we are paying. So it is always advisable to go for higher sum assured. You can also check your individual, your family specific premiums at the link below. So the next type of insurance that one must have in their insurance portfolio is personal accidental or disability insurance. It is not very popular insurance, but again it is important because if you get injured and aren't able to work, then disability insurance will reimburse you for the lost income. So it can cover permanent, temporary, partial disability, and also in case of death due to accident, the sum assured is payable, which is over and above what the life insurance company is going to pay for your life insurance policy. So again, we've calculated adequate coverage should be 3 times of your annual income. This is just thumb rule, 3 times of your annual income. If you're again taking example of a 30-year-old male, so if you opt for 10 lakhs disability cover, disability rider, the premium is only 1700 per annum, which is very, very, very small premium. And we talk about 20 lakhs cover, so the premium is 3000. If we talk about 50 lakhs with disability rider, it is 7100, and 1 CR is 12500. Again, the premium can be calculated on the link given below as per your age and requirement. So the next cover that I'm going to talk about is very much relevant in today's times when we hear about critical illnesses. The most heard about critical illness is cancer. Every third or fourth house has someone who's been diagnosed with cancer, or they have cancer survivors, or someone who could not make it through cancer. So when due to advancement of science and technology, the survival rate is much higher than what it was 10 years before or 20 years before. So we can consider buying a critical illness plan because the expenses that are related to critical illnesses are not one-time expenses; they are recurring expenses, and again the loss of income will be there. So emotional setback is there, but there is a huge financial setback to the family in case critical illness is diagnosed. And again, this amount is over and above the amount that is borne by a health insurance company in case of hospitalization. This is a lump sum benefit policy. For example, if someone is diagnosed with, let's say, critical illness like cancer, and one has to undergo the treatment, and the treatment cost is around 10 lakhs. So hospitalization costs will be taken care by the health insurance policy. And if we have opted for a 10 lakhs critical illness policy as well, so insurance company will be paying us 10 lakhs lump sum, which can be used for our other living expenses. So recently, actress Sonali Bendre also, who's a cancer survivor, says that cancer treatment is more painful than the disease itself. She says critical illness insurance policy is must for everyone, as you never know what is going to happen to you. And you can only buy when you are hale and hearty. You can't buy when you're diagnosed with any problem or any lifestyle problem. So to give you an idea what is critical illness insurance actually going to cost you, at the age of 30 years for a sum assured of 5 lakhs, premium will be, cost for 1 year will be 1300 rupees, and for 10 lakhs cost will be 2600 rupees, and for 25 lakhs it will be 8200 rupees. So again, the premium can be calculated as per your requirement through the link below. So the next insurance one can look for is again vehicle insurance and home insurance. So for vehicle insurance, there is no particular premium chart for both these insurances because premium will depend on a lot of different factors like if you're opting for a comprehensive coverage or just a normal policy, if you're opting for zero depreciation in case of vehicle insurance, and what is the IDV, what is the model, which car is it. So premium will depend on a lot of factors. And again for home insurance, it is again protection against theft and natural calamities. So one can consider covering the building as well as the contents of the house. So premium will depend on that. So now to summarize, we've talked about various types of insurances that one must have in case one is the sole breadwinner of the family. Types of insurances are life insurance, health insurance, personal accidental / disability insurance, critical insurance, and home and vehicle insurance. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And in case you have any feedback or any questions or any comments, we are available on the WhatsApp number that is flashing on the screen. Also, you can write in the comment section. And if you like the video, do like it. If you want to share it with your friends, please do share, and don't forget to subscribe our videos so that you can get to watch our other videos in the future as well. Thank you.